She said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good face, she hit me like seafood. Remember when I saw you, hi, it's nice to meet you. Know my old girl salty, she just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese, I don't wanna leave you. Once you're right here, I just don't wanna mistreat you, no. Cause I've been a douchebag before, baby girl, I don't wanna repeat. She just won't please me, she look in my eyes, told me why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer. I take these drugs to my bladder. She say she noticed a pattern, she say I look gorgeous, I tell her I'm flattered. But I hate my reflection, when I look at you all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection, when I look at you all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better. You said that you love me, don't know if it's still true. Hate it when you're not here, love it when I'm with you. You say you don't trust me, all the shit we've been through. Why you always upset? I don't really get you, I don't really get you. Why should I always gotta be so stressful? Baby, can you tell me why are you so vengeful? I don't understand you, I can't live without you, but I can't fucking stand you. I'm just so obsessed, I should take better care of myself, but fuck it. Blacked out in public, on that like she upset, but I know she love it. I hate my reflection, when I look at you all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection, when I look at you all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better.
Alright everyone, so I'm done with Nick's haircut, and as you can see, he's got beautiful natural curls, and that's what's great about this haircut, and I want to break down what I did. So let's spin around this way a little bit. Now this, it surprised me, because I don't know what was going on with Nick's hair. This is the first time I'm seeing his hair. I said, Nick, all this is an undercut. So what I did is I created like a really, really nice taper. See how neat that is, going from really short all the way into this area. Right, so I did some scissor over comb, and I want to create like a natural blend and taper into this. I didn't want to just take like a #1 guard and shave all this off. I want it to look very, very natural, so as it grows out, it just looks so much better to go with this shape. Tilt the head down a little bit. Did the same thing, so the entire thing under here is all an undercut. And then what I did with the actual haircut itself, as far as the length goes, I created the perimeter in through this area, right? A little bit longer in the front, work the shape around this way. I did have a little bit of like rebalancing to do, so I wanted to make sure everything was nice and even and balanced throughout the entire haircut. Then I started the layering, and the layering process for me, now his hair, since it's naturally curly, what I wanted to do was make sure that I cut this knowing that as the hair dries, it's always going to shrink up and get shorter. So when you're cutting curly hair, you want to make sure that you're not going super, super short, because it's going to be too short. So I kind of found the perfect length and balance for this, where I left the hair. Actually, the hair itself is quite long. It's probably about, I don't know, 4.5 inches or so. But it looks like it's a lot shorter because the curl shrinks up. So I created a nice layered shape. The entire haircut is layered. And what I did is I worked it right into the front. So the front right in through here, as it dries, which I'll talk about the styling in a minute, but curly hair, as it dries, it shrinks up a lot. So I did not want to cut the bang area or the fringe area too short, because he didn't have bangs up to his hairline, and I didn't want to do that. So I wanted to respect that and make sure that it wasn't too short, and that's kind of the perfect length. And then what I did when I styled it is I used my #1 product, which you all know and love, Tidal Wave, which is a sea salt spray. It's amazing for this type of texture. You spray it in, and the most important thing for this is the styling, which I didn't do any styling. I want to let it air dry. And air drying on curly hair, or even wavy hair, it brings out the curl and it just lets it do what it wants to do. Because if you mess with it too much, or if I took a blow dryer to this, his hair would look horrible. I hate to say it, it would, no one's hair looks worse than mine, Nick. No, but it would not be a fun thing, So, I made sure I naturally let it dry, and that's the best way to do this. So I do want to let you know that if you use, let's scoot over a little bit this way. I need a little airtime.
Okay, come in.
So if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States. But Nick, I'm giving this to you as a gift.
Hey, thank you.
This is an amazing product.
Legend, go buy it now.
Do you like the smell of it?
Yes, it was fire.
Beautiful, right? Beautiful smell.
Yeah.
What do you think? I know you can't really see the haircut too much, but how'd you like the haircut experience? What I did?
Honestly, it was amazing. I came in and just like let you do what you wanted to do, and I trusted you. At first, I was like, no, do it like this, but then you were like, trust me, and I just trusted him, and it turned out amazing.
Why would you trust a bald guy, Nick? I wouldn't. No, but seriously, man, thank you for being on my channel. Everyone go follow him on TikTok, on Instagram, and thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you soon.
Bye.